Hello everyone, this is Hoda Ganji. In this video, I'm going to add some parapet and more details to this design. I'm going to actually delete the roof here. I would like the parapet to go over there. So I'm gonna go to layers, go to wall 3D, that's good. I'm gonna start a polyline, so we can type PL, starting maybe from that corner. And I'm gonna actually finish it here and go back. So I select the curve. I'm gonna extrude the curve as solid. We can go with like 900 millimeters. This is good. And the roof is gonna actually be inside this. You can get rid of the curves that you don't need anymore, such as this one. So for the roof, I want to start a new polyline, PL, starting from that corner. I need to turn the project off. So I want to get this curve and I want to extrude it as solid by 200. Okay, now this seems better. You can turn all the other layers off. You can make the wall the active layer and select the first layer, hold shift, turn the layers off. Now that only the wall 3D layer is on, I can go ahead and select everything, type BU for Boolean Union, and I can select everything and go with merge all faces. You can click on the first layer, hold shift, click on the last layer, turn on layers. Next, we can work on the entrance of the building a little bit, which is here. So I want to actually make it the active layer. I have entrance over here. I want to turn everything else off again. And I want to turn the floor layer on. Okay, now how about I select these items and I want to move them from this corner to this corner. Okay, now I can just extrude them. So I want to turn the floor layer off. I would like to close this part, so I want to add one line here, one line here. I want to select these items, go with join, and I want to extrude this as solid by maybe 1 meter. I can copy this element over there. Okay, and inside that, let's say we're going to have a couple of plants. You can kind of, if you want, you can go with a sub layer. This is going to be my kind of soil over there. I can change the color. And I want to go with a box. So over here to there, and maybe it's 900. You can copy the box on the other side. And for the stairs, I can go back to entrance. I can create a new sub layer, and this is gonna be my stair. I'm gonna create a box. I can go with like 300, another box, and this one can be 150. Okay, so this should be good. I want to turn all the layers on. Hold Shift, turn on. We can also create some kind of a yard here. So I want to go to the yard layer. I want to draw a box. From that corner to that corner is going to be negative 300. Under the yard, I can add a sub layer. This could be for landscape. I want to turn all the other layers off. So these items, I want to move them to my landscape layer. Now I want to select one of these curves and select the other curve. I want to go with extrude curve. It's going to be as a solid, and I want to go with maybe 0.5 meter. I need another soil layer here. So I want to go with a new sublayer. This is going to be soil. I'm going to click on that, change the color, and I'm going to create a box here. It's going to be 400. Okay, that seems good. I can select this element and this one, CO, from here to there, over there, and over there. And next you can select all the layers and turn them on. You can turn off the layers that you don't want to see. You can change the color of the layers.